Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking to streamline your marketing workflow and keep everything organized in one place? In this video, I will show you how to use Monday.com to manage your entire marketing process, from planning content to tracking performance, all in one place. First of all, we need to know what is Monday.com. Monday.com is a flexible work operating system where teams can plan, track, and manage projects. It's perfect for marketers because it adapts to your strategy, whether you are running campaigns, managing content calendars, or collaborating with a team. So now let's create a marketing workspace. Go to monday.com. Now, once you are in, click the plus icon for add workspace. Click add, click the three dot icon from workspaces section, then click add new workspace. Name it like marketing and hit add create add workspace. Now you can add boards like content calendar, campaign tracker, and social media planner. For now, let's build a simple marketing plan board. Click the plus icon for add a new board. Name it like campaign tracker. Let's add columns after creating the board. Click new item or click the arrow icon. You can import items from here. Okay, let's click on it and name your campaign, then status. Hashtag one, then status, like working on it, stuck, done, etc. Then channel, plus I click the plus icon, then search for channel or connect, then select port. You can connect from here, a task, then scripts, feature requests, then go back and click on it, then add column to right. Now you can use people, date, formula, dependency text, etc. You can customize everything here, drag columns, change labels, and use colors for better. Just click on it. Wait a minute. Then select board. Now click on it, then click and And now click the three dot icon, then click settings. You can customize connect boards from here like that. So now let's let's automate. You can create rules like when status changes to done, notify the campaign owner. It saves time and keeps everyone aligned. Now go back to your home page. Now find the automation tab, or for different views, switch to calendar view. For a big picture, timeline or Kanban view to manage tasks. Now create new board, click the new item tab, name it like content calendar, then add a title, platform, publish date, etc. Want to manage blog posts, YouTube videos, or Instagram content? A content calendar board is your best friend. Add columns like title, platform, publish date, and status. You can assign posts, set deadlines, and even attach files like thumbnails or draft. Now go back to your home page. Now click tools. Now click home. Here at the automations tab, click on it. You can automate from here like Gmail, Google Calendar, Slack, or more. So updates and tasks sync as seamlessly. Also create a dashboard to track overall progress. Add widgets like a pie chart for campaign status, charts, a bar chart for platform performance, or a timeline for key dates. And that's a quick walkthrough of how to use Mondo.com for marketing. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tools and tips. Want a free marketing board template? Check the link in the description. Thanks for watching.